Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 6th, 2021, and today we are going to give you all an update on TRON, give you all the price prediction, the forecast, giving us all the expectation as to where the market is headed. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go that you hit the like button. You also share and subscribe to our channel. I want to make sure that you all stay updated on the price prediction that we are covering here on this particular platform. Also, I want to plug each and every one of you on a couple of perks that we are now offering here on this particular channel. We do have two of them. The first one is for $1.99. It gives us all the option to use our own custom emojis and calling the markets. We want each and every one of you to have the ability to call the market right alongside with us. So on every video that we do, on every live stream that we have, use these custom emojis to call the market right alongside with us so that you all can also start grasping how to predict the prices right before the trap takes the value there. And then on the next perk, you all can see it's called the Lookout. This is our artisan perk. This is going to be an opportunity for during our live stream to have our perk members, our artisan members, to go ahead and converse and engage with us a little bit more involved in terms of asking us questions, in terms of looking at multiple price charts that is of interest to each and every one of them. This is what you need to do in order to make sure to try to get a better understanding as to pricing the market, as to calling the market as well. So these are available. I want to also mention a couple of new members on our particular channel. The first one that recently subscribed or placed a membership with us is called Nick Cook, Francisco Marirez, Daniel Velez, and Shantnu002. Thank you all for taking the opportunity to join our membership perks. Hopefully it is very beneficial to each and every one of you. We want to thank you for your belief in our content that we are delivering here on this particular channel. And for everyone else who's not a part, what you waiting for? Make sure you all do that today. All right. So today we're going to speak on TRON, and it's been a while. You know, the last time we did our video on TRON was on November the 21st, 2020. Okay. You guys can see it right here, being fully transparent with each and every one of you. This is it. What you see is precisely what we talked about on November the 21st, 2020 for TRON. And as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit closer. Nothing really has been going on in the market in TRON. We played the strength into the market in TRON right here on the 21st of November. If anything, congratulations to those who was able to grab out the market, 10.38%. Congratulations to each and every one of you who was able to catch that movement. Maybe you caught it to where the market in TRON came all the way up there to 0.039, almost 4 cents, which is about 35%. So congratulations to those who was able to take the bag back from the trap. That's the whole purpose. It's to try to maintain that profitability and to take profit right back from the trap. Now the trap is the individual who controls the price. He's the one that you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He moves the market, and we need to anticipate where is the next likely movement of price so that we can profit. Okay, so congratulations to those who's able to take that out. Let's get rid of it, and let me zoom right back out in the market in TRON, and I want to ask you all the question: is this particular market still in a uptrend for TRON? It is. The market in TRON is still in an uptrend. We started this trend back in March of 2020, and here we are beginning 2021, and this market in TRON is still following an uptrend. That's very positive to see that play out for the moment. So when I zoom in on the 3-day time frame, we are seeing some things that are changing. And one of the first things you all see is that the volume on this current 3-day price bar is definitely massive comparative to what we've been accustomed to in TRON. So there's been a lot of increased activity or market participation going on in the market in TRON over the last 3 days. What about on the 5-day chart? So you can see here on the 5-day chart that last completed 5-day price bar, we haven't seen as much volume in TRON since the last time the market saw price go all the way up there towards 5 cents, which was on the 5-day price bar of September 2nd, 2020. We haven't seen this much volume since then. So, and look where we closed at. we closed well off the highs into the market in Tron. So the next couple of days, it's going to be real important in trying to see the trap maintain that price above this ascending line. From what we're seeing on the 3-day time frame, as well as on the 5-day time frame, it's going to be real imperative for him to hold that price above that ascending line. So now, weekly chart have 4 days left and 13 hours on the current weekly price bar, but the market in Tron is holding its own. It's not extremely weak, even amongst all of the volume that we're seeing over the last couple of weeks, even on the last couple of trading days. This market in Tron is holding its own weight. The trap is definitely showing us that he's not willing, at least at the moment, to drop price. So if anything, from the daily time frame, just like the market in Tron since November the 21st has just been trading within its range, we can pretty much expect the same thing. We're not seeing that change yet. Now, maybe the trap might give us another quick movement towards 3 cents or even up there towards that restriction area 0.032, and then we'll see a resumption to weakness and movement to the downside. But over the last couple of trading days with this high volume down here, you guys can see that this market is not reacting to it in a bad light. So that tells us that the trap is still feeling a little bit more bullish in the sense of, okay, I at least want to continue to trade this market sideways. So we can eliminate for the time being the weakness in the market in Tron. So that leaves us with two other options. The market will continue to go higher, or will continue to trade in this range between 0.028 all the way up there towards 0.032. And that's it. So on this particular video, real quick, we're going to predict and put in a forecast in the market in Tron. This is what our expectations are going to be. We're going to expect the market in Tron to continue, if anything, trade sideways. But we're going to continue to show that restriction area in Tron right there around 0.032, which is about 8.5% profitability into the market in Tron. Now, our first area of issue, a problem, would be right here at 3 cents even. Okay. So take a look at that. As the trap continues to go higher in price, we definitely need to pay attention to that, because that will restrict the market from going higher. Okay, so we'll definitely keep our eyes open on that 3 cent price. But currently, as it stands, we're going to continue to play this market, seeing some strength, at least over the next 2 or 3 days into the market in Tron. And then from there, if the trap cannot break price above 0.032, we understand that the market is going to come up here and then try to come back down. And then we'll try once again to see if the trap is going to be able to hold that area on our ascending line. Okay, so this is our expectations, our forecast of Tron. What is yours? For all of our members who have our perks, use the custom emojis. Let us know what you think about the market in Tron. Call the market. Are we going to go higher, lower? Is the market strong? Is it weak? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. And also, where would you take the bag? Where would you take your profit at into the market in Tron? Tell everyone in our community, our subscribership, where would you take your profit after you let us know where you think the market is headed. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go trade different.